Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johor Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. What is the smallest 5 digit number which can be formed with the digit 4, 0 and 9? There are only 3 digit and we have to form 5 digit smallest number. So we have to repeat the digit, we have to form smallest number, so we have to write 4 first, after that 0, 0, 0 and 9. So C is the right answer. Question number 2. What is the LCM of 16, 80 and 48? So question number 2. 16, 80, 48. 2, 8, 40, 24. Again 2, 4, 20, 12. 2, 10, 6. Again 2, 1, 5, 3. So LCM equal to 2 to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 16, 80, 240. So C is the right answer. Question number 3. How many seconds are there in 24 hours? So first we convert 24 hour into minute, that is 24 into 60 minute, and after that we convert minute into second. So first 0, minutes, after that we convert second, so 0, 0, 86,400 second. So C is the right answer. Question number 4. Decimal equivalent of 2 whole 5 by 8. So 2 whole 5 by 8. 21 by 8. 21, that is 2, 16, 5, 0.50, 48, 2, 0, 2, 16, 4, 5, 40. So answer is 2.625. B is the right answer. Question number 5. Sum of all prime number between 70 to 80. So prime number between 70 to 80 is 71, 73 and 79. We add these three, that is 71 plus 73 plus 79. So 3 carry 1, 22. So 223. C is the right answer. Question number 6. An engine pumps out 84,000 liters of water in an hour. The engine runs for 10 hours a day. How many liters of water will it pump out in 5 days? So engine run for 10 hours every day. run for 5 days. So in 5 days it's run 10 into 5, that is 50 hour. So in 50 hour it pumps 84,000 into 50, that is 12340. After that 0 42, so 3. So there is in option there is 1 2 42 after 12340, so there is 50. So in B 42 1 2 3 4 50, so B is the right answer. Question number 7. 12 men can do a work in 25 days. In how many days 15 men can complete the same work? So 7. 12 men can do it in 25 days. One man can do it in 25 into 12 days, and 15 men can do it in 25 into 12 by 15, that is 4 5 5 20 days. So B is the right answer. Question number 8. Unit digit product of first 5 prime number is. So first 5 prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So first we multiply these two. 2 into 3 we get 6. After that we multiply 6 into 5 we get 30. So unit digit is 0, so we multiply 0 into 7, we get 0. Here we take only unit digit, that is 0. After that we multiply 0 with 11, we got 0. So unit digit is 0. C is the right answer. Question number 9. A shopkeeper bought 15 table at the rate of rupees 400 each and 20 chair at the rate of rupees 250 each. He spent rupees 40 on transporting. He sold the table and chair at a flat rate of 325 each. What is his profit or loss? So cost price of 15 table, that is 400 into 15, that is 6,000. Cost price of 20 chair, that is 250 into 20, 0005. And transporting cost, rupees 40. So total cost 11,040. He sell all item, that is 15 plus 20 35 item at the rate of 325 each. So selling price that is 325 into 35. Selling price is 11,375. So profit is 11,375 minus 11,004, that is 335. So B is the right answer. Question number 10. A man borrows rupees 600 from his friend. He agreed to pay back after 9 months together with simple interest at 8% per annum. What amount will he pay back? So simply we calculate it from formula, that is question number 10. Principal, that is 600, rate, that is 8%, time, that is 9 month, that is 9 by 12, 3 by 4 year. So interest, that is PTR by 100, that is 600 into T, that is 3 by 4 into 8 into 100, 2, so it's become 36. So he have to pay back 600 as a capital plus 36 as a interest, 636 rupees. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.